Every tire begins as a collection of raw materials. Let's explore the fascinating journey of how modern tires are made. Tires are made using natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, steel wire, fabric, sulfur, and several special chemicals. All the ingredients are mixed together in giant industrial mixers to create a strong and flexible rubber compound. The rubber compound is rolled into large sheets of different thicknesses, ready for the next stage of production. Steel belts and reinforced fabric layers are prepared to give the tire its strength, stability, and durability. The tire is built layer by layer using advanced machines that carefully assemble every component into its final shape. At this stage, the tire is known as a green tire. It has its shape, but is still soft and not yet ready for the road. Inside the curing press, heat and pressure trigger vulcanization. This process strengthens the rubber and creates the tire's tread pattern. Each tire is cooled and carefully inspected using advanced technology to ensure it meets strict safety and quality standards. Tires undergo rigorous performance tests to verify their strength, balance, grip, and durability under real driving conditions. After passing inspection, the tires are packaged and shipped to automobile manufacturers and dealerships around the world. From raw materials to precision engineering, every tire is designed to provide safety, comfort, and performance, keeping millions of vehicles moving every day.